Hi there and welcome to my third video in the Mechanical Engineering System specification. This is still section 1, which is an overview of mechanical engineering systems, and the third video is going to be on systems of systems. So in 1.2, examples of engineering systems, we briefly looked at examples of engineering systems. You may have noticed that some of these systems were actually systems within themselves. So for example, for an automobile propulsion system, this has various subsystems, and these include the engine, clutch, gearbox, prop shaft, differential, and so on. What's more, each of these subsystems are also systems, which contain their own subsystems, inception. So due to this possible minefield, we need our boundaries to be as accurate as possible, and this allows us to analyze exactly what we want to, without getting unnecessary data involved. For example, if we wanted to purely analyze the engine, so the power plant, sorry I lost my words there, we would want to use precise physical boundaries or theoretical, depends on how you want to interpret it, and we would have that purely around the engine itself. If we had it around the front of the car, that would also then incorporate the front axle, the front wheels, and that can lead then to a whole new system which we do not need if we're only analysing the engine. So you can see then boundaries can be very important. So again, that's another quick overview of yet another little section within mechanical engineering systems. Hopefully that's easily understood, and if it is, please feel free to leave a like. If you've got any feedback or any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to give you a reply. Also, if you do find my notes useful, at some point I will manage to get down to creating my actual website. I've already registered the domain, just need to finalise a few little tweaks on the actual pages. I want to make it as fluid and easy to use as possible. I also want to make it mobile friendly because most people revise on the go. But I will hopefully be putting all my PDFs, all the videos, everything in a systematic order, eventually up to the point where we'll also have questions, interactive feedback, but that's all to come. So yeah, stay tuned because there is more to come. On that note, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.